Hello everyone, Fabio Santos with another tutorial for you. There are different names for it. I call it Chapéu de Couro, but you might know with different name. Let's get straight into it. Okay, let's understand how we're gonna kick. It's very important that you actually do a martelo, so I need to twist my foot when I perform the kick. So if I'm kicking here, right leg in front, left leg behind, I throw myself, I'm gonna turn my hip by throwing my arms to the side, and I'm gonna spin on my toes. So when I spin, my leg goes around flat, horizontal like this. And you don't need to progress the kick. A lot of people, when they kick, they go all the way around, and that puts you off your balance. So once you kick, as soon as I pass my target, I lower myself and trying to drop my leg towards my back as fast as I can if I'm only doing the kick by itself. If I'm linking with something else, it's a different situation. So jump, kick, and then drop the leg. This is standing. Of course, when you're gonna do the move, we're gonna do it from the floor. But it's important that we understand to turn the hip. Now, another drill that I want you to practice. I'm gonna be using my right hand. So I wanna try to stay on top of my wrist. So if I place my hands here, I'm gonna throw myself until my shoulder is on top of my wrist. That's important as well. But for now, place the hand where it's comfortable. I want it to be the back leg on your toes. So you're gonna push off the toes. So you're gonna do this drill so you can understand. So do a few of those so you understand how you're gonna progress. Another exercise that I want you to practice is to bend the leg, and as I push, I extend. So my leg are bent. As I push, I extend. Some people start from here. It doesn't matter, it's the same thing. So I extend. I extend. So I practice this both sides. So go onto my toes, on top of my wrist, extend the leg. I can either practice here and push, or I can start here, extend, and push. At the moment, I'm not going nowhere. I need to understand this so I can take off from my toes. It's really hard to jump from a flat feet, okay? The next step, I need to dislocate from this side to the other leg. And it's very important that I keep the gap between the leg. A lot of people do, they jump and bring the leg together. So you don't have space to kick the leg. So remember, look the gap between this leg and this leg when I kick. I need that gap also when I jump from the floor. So now, place the hand, combining, taking off the foot. I'm gonna create that gap. Notice that my leg is still behind. So I jump, and I want you to reset. The further I can go, the better. So you're practicing to jump, but keep that leg, the back leg behind. Don't bring the leg here. This is the mistake that a lot of people do. Okay, same thing on the other side. So I'm gonna stay on my toes, take this leg off so it's free for me to go. I'm gonna jump and leave the leg behind. And then note that my feet, I turn. Okay, so I'm already turning my hip for me to kick around. It's very important as well. Once I can do both, now that my leg is here, the weight is on my toes, I'm gonna make the kick, remember horizontal, and bring the foot down to the floor. So place the hand, practice, leave the foot behind, and then kick. And it's very important as well. Some people don't. I prefer to take my hand off. Why? Once I make the kick, there is no need for my hand to be there. Otherwise, it's gonna end up being in my way. It's one more thing for me to worry about later. So once I go on my foot and I have balance on my feet, I'm gonna remove my hand. Can you do it with the hand there? Yes, you can. Some people do. Depends what you're doing next and depends the situation. But for now, just to learn the move, I advise you to take the hand off so you can practice as well. Keeping the hand there is easy. So practice taking off. If you need to leave it, you already know how to do it. So let's go into it. So here, lunge, kick, and notice that my hand goes off. I'm gonna do facing that way so you can see it. So from here, I place the hand. As I jump, as I kick, my hand is off the floor. Once more, kick. Same thing if I'm doing on the other side. So I have more power. And remember not to drag the leg around. A lot of people do this, so it makes them losing the balance, and it's pointless. If I'm doing against you, once I have passed my target, the sooner I can drop my leg, the better it is. As soon as I pass the front, I drop my leg so I can continue to the jinga. There are a few variations where you can bring the leg here, you can start from there. It's still the same technique. I hope that helped. If you like the video, share with other people so we can promote. And also tutorials like this and many more you can find in the School Flow. The link is on the bio or on the description, depends where you're watching this. Completely free of charge to join. And also you have my support there. If there is any moves or any other tutorials that you want me to help with, feel free to send me a message and I'll be glad to help. See you soon. Take care.